Hi, welcome. I'm Mary Twiss.
Hi, I'm Bob Power, and we're pleased to be bringing you our midsummer update on the OTC Markets Group. Mary, we continue to see excellent momentum on the blue sky manual exemption perspective. We now have 25 states that recognize OTCQX for blue sky manual exemption. Some of the recent states are West Virginia, Indiana, Delaware, Maine, and most recently Utah.
On OTCQB, we're at 23 states. And again, this is really important because what this means for our companies is it allows for broker-dealers to recommend and discuss the companies that list on these markets.
Yeah, great progress, and we look forward to continue straight ahead on that. On the OTCQX front, our companies continue to see great momentum. We had 13 companies join over the last 2 months, and those companies, 5 of them are from the US, and 8 were from overseas or Canada. And the OTCQX Composite Index closed the month of July up 19% for the year so far, outperforming all the major US indices. The top sector in the month of July was resource companies.
Yeah, absolutely great performance on OTCQX. OTCQB, at the end of July, the composite index is actually down 4%, but our best performing sector was our finance companies. And the market itself grew over the past 2 months with 51 companies joining OTCQB.
Right, and what's good to see also from the OTCQX and OTCQB perspective, dollar volume has increased on our market, so it's great to see our companies getting that recognition.
Yeah, absolutely, and that recognition is fantastic, and we continually strive to make that easier for our companies to achieve. What we've done actually recently in these past few months is really focused on creating resources for our companies to educate themselves and become the best public companies they can be.
Yeah.
For example, on YouTube, our YouTube channel, we've put together a compilation of previous webinars of which we've partnered with our third-party advisors and law firms talking about these best practices. So I definitely recommend our companies go and check that out. Again, that's on YouTube, and it's our Company Resource Center. Along those lines, we've also been partnering with IR Magazine to have a white paper series that's really discussing some of these small cap issues and ways around that and how our companies can perform their best.
Yeah, and with IR Magazine, we're actually sponsoring an event here in New York on September 13th where they'll be talking about those issues and also having an award program for the first time to recognize small cap companies. We also have 2 upcoming events as well in October. October 5th, our virtual investor conference for domestic companies. We've already got 12 companies signed up. We're looking forward to giving those companies the chance to tell their story virtually. And finally, in Toronto in mid-October, we'll be holding a regional forum with the theme being investor relations as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone. See you next month.